Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. I want to tell you how impressed I am with the WINIX Air Purifier warranty. I did a video a while back on two of the WINIX 5500-2 air purifiers that we had for about 6 months. But shortly after I did the video, one of the air purifiers started making a loud clicking noise. And it was so annoying, especially at night when you try to go to sleep. It just kept clicking and clicking, so I ended up turning it off. I was very disappointed. But I did not want to make a comment on the video that I had uploaded. I figured I would wait to hear from WINIX and see what kind of warranty they actually provided. So I went to the WINIX website and looked under the warranty instructions. And they wanted me to contact them through an email, filling out all the information, and I sent in the email explaining about the clicking noise. I received a reply from them. They were asking me to send them a video of the problem. They wanted to hear what the clicking noise sounded like. So I videotaped the WINIX Air Purifier while it was running, and I went through each one of the speeds from low to high, and I emailed that to them. And to my surprise, when WINIX replied to my email, they said they were going to send us a brand new air purifier. But they were behind, and it would take up to 30 days before they would be able to ship one out to us. Well, I was very impressed. I did not expect a brand new air purifier, even though we only had the purifier for a little over 6 months. They sent me the exact model that we had, the WINIX Air Purifier 5500-2, and it was brand new in the box with all the filters included. I was very surprised and very impressed with their warranty. Have you ever used an air purifier warranty? Please let me know. We had purchased two of these 5200-2 WINIX air purifiers on Amazon. At the time they had a really good deal, and I will put a link in the information below. Hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.